Hi guys, it's me, Mrs. Mecco. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how I made my peach cobbler cheesecake today. In the kitchen, my daughter is helping me smash the graham cracker crust. If you love peach cobbler and cheesecake, put the two together. It's a great idea. In this bowl, I have my cream cheese. I'm going to mix it up a bit until it's nice and creamy and fluffy. Now I'm going to start adding eggs. All of my ingredients are at room temperature, so make sure yours are too. Let's mix the eggs and cream cheese until it's well combined. And now we can start adding in 1/2 cup of sugar and vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix everything well until it's incorporated. I'm going to add a couple more ingredients to add in, which is heavy cream and cornstarch. So once that's in there, you're going to mix that cream cheese cheesecake filling until it's nice and creamy. So we're about to make our crust. Now I'll be using graham cracker crust. You can find it at your local grocery store. I add in some butter and a little bit of cold water in my blender. I'm adding that to my springform pan with parchment paper, which I did a parchment paper off camera. It goes at the bottom of your springform pan before you put the crust in. You can use whatever you choose to press the crust down. I have put the crust in the oven for 10 minutes on 350, and once done, remove it out the oven and surround your pan with some aluminum foil. I will be doing a water bath. Now I'm going to pour in my cheesecake filling. As you can see, I have my springform pan inside a bigger pan, but whatever works for you. Smooth out the cheesecake filling. Now we're going to pour in some hot water to prevent our cheesecake from cracking. Then we will bake this in the oven on 350 for 35 minutes. While it's baking, we're going to work in our cheesecake cobbler topping / filling. I sliced some peaches off camera. I threw them in a bowl. I'm going to sprinkle in my sugar, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg. I added in a splash of vanilla extract. To my pan. Then I remember I needed some of the liquid. So I added some of the liquid into my cup with a little bit of cornstarch to help thicken up our filling / topping. I mix it until it's nice and lump-free. We are going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's at a boil on medium heat, I'm going to start adding in the cornstarch mixture in a second. Then I'm going to turn the heat down slowly, then turn it off completely. Once it's nice and thick, I put it to the side in a bowl until I'm ready to use it. Now we're ready to make our crumble topping. Let's use the leftover graham crackers. We're going to use it with the white cake mix, some room temperature butter, and some ice cold water. Now we're going to mix those together, pour it out on a parchment paper, which I did it off camera, until it's nice and crumbly. Our cheesecake is done. I'm going to take my finger, rub some vegetable oil on the side so that the cobbler topping doesn't stick to it. Now I'm going to add the cobbler topping on the top of the cheesecake. Then I'm going to add the crumble on top of that. Spread everything out. Make sure it's nice and even. We're going to refrigerate this for at least 2 hours. After you're ready to serve your cheesecake, this is what it looks like once it's done. Thank you guys for watching our video. And there will be more videos coming soon. Thank you.